Hipsters, I'm going to model how to answer question number 1. It says, from the story, the reader can conclude that Thomas. So my keyword I'm going to circle is the word conclude, because that means I'm going to draw a conclusion about Thomas. And what that means is that I'm going to look at the whole piece of text and determine what do I know about Thomas. So in the first paragraph, I know that Thomas invites his father's band to play, and then it says that he knew his father's band had a great sound, but would the other kids like it? Which shows me that Thomas thinks that his dad's a really good band, but does his friends think it is? So he's like, I like them, but I'm also nervous. Then you can see in paragraph 3 that Thomas suddenly became the most popular boy in school, which shows me that he wasn't really popular to begin with, but he's becoming popular because of his dad's band. And everyone thinks right there that they were going to play rock music because all the kids saw were guitars, drums, and keyboard. And that even though it was Tex-Mex music right here, and he liked it, he was hoping his friends wouldn't be disappointed because he knew it wasn't rock music. Then in paragraph 4, it says, Thomas's father stepped forward and the crowd grew still. Then his father started playing music, and when he started playing music, everyone cheered, and Thomas' heart was filled with pride and relief that he wouldn't have to change schools. So when he saw his dad play, his heart was full of pride, meaning that he really was just very grateful for it, and that he wasn't embarrassed by it anymore, and that he wasn't embarrassed and he didn't have to go change schools because everyone else liked it as well. So now I have to figure out, using this evidence, which one is the best answer. A says that Thomas likes the Hana music. Well, he does like the Hana music because he invited his father's band to play at the school picnic. His father has a great sound. Because of this, he became popular. It also says that his heart was filled with pride when the music started playing. So this shows me that at the end, he does like the Hana music, but I'm going to keep going. B says he is popular in school. Well, it does say that he became the most popular boy in school, but we have no evidence that he was already popular. It just says he became popular, so this could not be my best answer. C says he plays in a rock band. Well, I know that it's about his father playing in a band, and the band isn't rock music. The band is the Hana music, which is Tex-Mex music, so that is completely wrong. And D says likes loud music. In the text, it does say that there was a blast of sound, the band filled it with music, but it doesn't say that he likes loud music. It's just describing how the music was. So we have no evidence that Thomas does like it. So my best answer is that Thomas likes the Hana music because he likes the way his father's band sounds. His heart was filled with pride at the end of the story when his father was playing music. So that's how you choose your best answer. You read your question, you circle your keywords, you find your text evidence, and then you go through every single answer choice to make sure which one makes the most sense with the text.